Thank you, Robin. And we're going to turn now to these incredible images coming out of Southern California this morning after a plane crashed into a neighborhood on its way back from a cheerleading event. And ABC's Kana Wentworth is in Riverside with the story. Good morning, Kana.
Michael, good morning. Just a horrifying scene out here after a plane carrying 4 passengers and a pilot crashed into these homes behind me. You can see they're actually still smoldering this morning. Neighbors saying that when it happened, their homes actually shook. And when they opened their doors to help, they were overcome by a rush of heat from the flames. These are the horrifying images of a deadly plane crash in Southern California.
The plane hit a residence and the residence is on fire.
The plane, carrying a group home from a cheerleading competition at Disneyland, struck 2 homes in this residential area. In this surveillance video, you can see the plane suddenly falling from the sky, then flames erupt and billowing smoke.
I heard a big loud boom. I looked outside my window and I turned and it was flames in the air, everything.
Oh my gosh.
Neighbors say one of the victims was able to flee the burning home.
We see this lady, she was crawling. Half her clothes was on fire and she was like, I need help, I need help.
Bystanders rushing to her side as rescue crews begin pouring in.
I have 1 patient. We've got 4 victims that were in the airplane. We're checking for.
Firefighters quickly searching the homes for victims. You can see them here pulling someone out of the building. At least 3 people died and 2 more hospitalized in critical condition.
It almost looks like a piece of the airplane still remains on that roof.
It's reported that it was other victims in the home, and we're still searching for those victims.
And this morning, crews still searching the smoldering remains as authorities begin to investigate the crash. Now, authorities are saying they do not believe that anybody on the ground was injured or killed, but they will be sifting through this wreckage just in case. Michael.
All right. Thank you, Kana.
What a scene there. Yeah, we're going to move on now to a massive storm moving across.